Most beginners iniisip nila na, uy, okay to, pang first Gundam ko to. Pero ang totoo,
Hindi pa nila alam kung ano talaga yung pinapasok nila.
from big instructions, ang daming parts, at mga tools na kailangan pala nila para buuin ang kanilang unang Gundam. Diyan madalas nawawala ang excitement at napapalitan ng pagkainis. So today, pag-uusapan natin ang biggest beginner mistakes sa Gundam and how to avoid them. Cue intro! Bago tayo dumiretso sa mga mistakes, may kailangan mo tayong pag-usapan. At ito ay Gunpla grades. Ano nga ba ang Gunpla grades? Ang Gunpla grades ay makikita mo sa mga boxes. And tulad niyan, nakalagay dyan. And i-clarify ko lang ha, nakabase ito sa complexity, sa detail, sa articulation, at sa gimmick ng isang kit. Entry grade, high grade, perfect for beginners. Real grades and master grades, mas madaming parts, mas madaming detail. At dito madalas nagkakaproblema ang mga beginners talaga. Clarify it on the next video so you don't have to worry about it. Ang unang malaking mistake ay nagsisimula pa lang, hindi pa lang siya nabibuild. Pumipili lang siya dahil maganda yung kit. Like this one, oh look. Maganda siya, di ba? Box art, maganda. Yung gimmicks sa gilid, ang solid, di ba? Magandang-ganda siya. Then, napa-check out na siya, napabili na siya. Nung pag-uwi niya, pagbukas niya, nako, doon pa lang. Ang daming parts, ang complicated, wala pa siyang proper tools. Ito agad inuna niya. So, paano yan? Happiness niya, napagastos siya, tapos bigla lang na-dissatisfied. Yun yung unang-unang mistake. Now, what actually matters sa first build? Proper research. May gusto kang Gundam? Review mo. Watch multiple reviews from Mecha Geikotsu, Zach Aurelius, Joe's Gunpla Garage, shout out to you, Joe. They have multiple opinions. Gather those opinions and decide kung gusto mo ba talaga to or hindi. Yun lang yun. Eh, ang tanong dyan, Kuya Mikey, wala akong tip na Gundam eh. Ano pwede mo recommend sa akin first time beginner? Nako, meron ako sagot para sa iyo diyan. Okay? Ito, meron ako dito. It's the OG Gundam, the one that started it all. So it's the RX-70-2 entry grade, okay? Doesn't need any tools. It's snap build. Ibig sabihin, you can just snap it out of the frame, snap it out of the runner, and you're good to go. Okay? This is what I really recommend for beginners. And it's cheap. It's so cheap. It's like 500 pesos in Toys R Us. Bili ko siya sa Toys R Us. So, this is what I recommend. Okay, and then what else? And what I recommend is first is high grades. Search for high grades. There's a lot of high grades. You have a lot to choose from. Cosmic Era, HG, UC. I explained to those in another video. So, para maiwasan ang unang mistake, proper research lang tayo mga kapatid. Research ka muna and start a simple build. Next! Alright, the second biggest mistake ng mga beginners ay ina-expect nila sa unang build nila, perfect agad, ang ganda agad. Nakita mo yun sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa YouTube, yung mga builds nila, ang gaganda, di ba? Pero tandaan mo, yung mga builds na yon, ang dami nilang experience, ang dami nilang tools, pinaghirapan nila yon. And don't expect it on your first build. Okay, tandaan mo, if na-expect ka ng sobra-sobra, hindi ka sasaya dyan. Gunpla is not about perfection. It's about freedom. It's about passion. Ang dapat una mo maramdaman sa unang build mo, ay, gusto ko pa. Isa pa. After that, isa pa. After that, isa pa. And after that, isa pa. So, yun yun. Yun ang gusto kong maramdaman nyo sa mga builds nyo. And if you really want that, okay, if you really want something to detail up your kit, I'll explain to another video kung ano pwede nyo gawin for that. Just remember, don't chase perfection. Yun lang. Next! The third biggest mistake sa mga beginners ay walang proper tools. Aray! Totoo yan, walang proper tools. Nung unang-una kong build nun, ang gamit ko lang is yung nail clipper. Hindi mo kailangan ng mamahaling tools muna kasi beginner ka pa lang. So, kailangan mo lang itong mga basic essential tools. The recommended tools that I use for a basic build is number 1, single-bladed nipper. This is from Ruby Tool 1.0. I highly recommend it for beginners. Second is hobby knife. panghiwa ng knobs, pang-clean up ng knobs. The third one is a sanding sticks for the knobs as well para ma-flatten out yung knob. The fourth one is the tweezers. This is for the application ng sticker. So ulitin ko ulit, okay? Single bladed nipper, hobby knife, tweezers, and sanding sticks. Yun lang ang kailangan mo, nothing else. I'll cover the basic beginner tools in another video for much more details, but for now, these are the tools just you need. Tandaan mo, alagaan mo tools mo, alagaan ka din yan. Quick recap, okay? Number 1, mag-proper research. Huwag bumili pag mukhang maganda lang. Second of all, don't chase perfection. Ang gusto kong ma-feel nyo, paglagay nyo sa chef nyo na pagbuo nyo, isa pa ngang rising freedom, isa pang justice. And the third one, invest in proper tools. Alagaan ka ng tools mo yan, promise pag nag-invest ka sa proper tools. If nakatulong tong video na to, hit like and subscribe button and comment down below ano ba yung una nyong ganda, okay? At saka kung ano yung una nyong bibuild. Thank you so much for watching. Keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!